Welcome back to our Trimble Custom Guns YouTube channel. Today we have this Mauser action that we've bent the bolt, polished it, and lapped the lugs. And now we're going to square up the face of this receiver. So what we have here is a rod that's been turned to 700 thousandths of an inch. And we're going to use this inside our receiver so that we can turn it between centers. So this fits in here nicely, and we'll use this has a 1/4-20 hole that we threaded in there. We'll just tighten that up on there. And then we'll go put this in the lathe, and that'll allow us to turn our front receiver ring square with the lugs and our bolt raceway. We'll be turning this between centers, so we're going to remove our spider and put a dead center in there. We also need to get our lathe dog to drive that. Grab it. And we need to flip this around. So we're not looking to take a whole lot off from this. We're just looking to make sure it's square to the bolt way. So we're going to go ahead and do that and make sure our machine's at a good speed. There, and now we have a nice square spot for our barrel to rest against that is 90 degrees to our bolt raceway. That's all there is to it.